Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your nickname in a server without it changing in your main profile, I guess. And to do that, you are just going to go to a channel and scroll to the left and again to the left until you find your name. Click on it and press edit server profile. Here you can change your nickname. You can also change your server avatar, but you'll need to unlock it with Discord Nitro, which I don't have. So I'm just going to name it something like Swifty. And after that, just press the save button over here. And as you can see, the server name has changed, but the name on my profile is still RepLegend. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!